Lot number 205 is a 2009 Bluebird 26 passenger bus. This one comes up as a commercial bus made by Bluebird. The true miles are unknown. This one, the shop notes say that it has electrical issues. No power gets to the inside. So we couldn't start it. We can't check the miles. There's no power getting to the inside at all. It's got a Cummins diesel engine. Mechanical condition is unknown. According to the shop, the bus was running and came across electrical issues, so the motor should be in good shape, but we don't know because we couldn't test it. It's got the Cummins diesel engine. The body is straight. It's got all aluminum wheels. Tires look good. The engine appears to be complete and untampered with. All the belts are in place. Let me go around the other side. As you see, the body is nice and straight. It's got very minor dents and scratches. The paint is peeling and faded, but the body is straight. It's got the Thermo King air conditioning system, and again, we don't know if that works or not. Some panels are loose inside. Let me show you. The interior looks pretty good. Not a lot of damage in here. It will need a deep cleaning, but the seats look like they're in good shape. The floor is solid. And it appears to be dry. I don't see any water in here. There was water on the driver's area, and it's because the window was open. So I closed that window, no more water's getting in. But the driver's area, the steering wheel, the seat, the floor is wet and moldy. But again, there's no leaks as far as I can tell. That window was halfway open, letting water in. It's closed now and it should be dry by the time you pick it up. All city equipment has been removed and some panels are loose. There's a little panel here that's hanging, and this panel here is loose. But yeah, overall the body, the interior is dry and it shows normal wear and tear. Not a lot of damage in here. Remember, you're buying this one as is. Mechanical condition is unknown. Shop notes say electrical issues. All right, there you have it. It's lot number 205, 2009 Bluebird 26 passenger bus. Good luck.